We're breaking down 7 key principles for crypto newcomers today. Whether you're into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or the wide world of altcoins, these insights will guide you through the volatile seas of digital investing. Let's dive in. Principle 1. Establish your own reliable information source. Information is key. Ensure you're following trustworthy sources to sift through the noise. Embrace forums, industry leaders, and cross-check facts to build a solid foundation of knowledge. Principle 2. Basic skills should be solid. Solidify your understanding of blockchain and the major cryptocurrencies. A strong grasp of the basics will shield you from market myths and help you make informed decisions. Principle 3. Think independently and analyze rationally. Critical thinking is your best tool. Learn from others, but always do your own research and analysis before making any moves. Independent thought is key to navigating the crypto waters. Principle 4. Reduce the quantity and bet on the key points. Don't spread yourself too thin. Focus your investments on a few projects you believe in. This strategy simplifies management and can lead to greater gains. Principle 5. Write down your investment argument. Documenting your investment rationale might seem tedious, but it's incredibly useful. It clarifies your strategy and helps avoid impulsive decisions driven by market hype. Principle 6. Don't all in, no leverage. Risk management is crucial. Avoid the temptation to go all in on a single asset or use leverage, especially as a beginner. Diversify your investments to spread the risk. Principle 7. Review your portfolio regularly. The crypto landscape evolves rapidly. Regularly review your investments to ensure they align with current market conditions and your financial goals. And there you have it, 7 essential principles to navigate the crypto investment seas. Knowledge, strategy, and adaptability are your best allies on this journey. For more insights and tips, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, sail safely and invest wisely.